welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all my fidgets. So the first one is this one, a little panda keyring. This is one of them that I really like. This is my second one. Just like a stretchy shape. This is number 3. This is number 4, where you just like sort out where it goes. This is number 5, a snail puppet. So yeah, this is another one. We've got this one. It's sketchy. We got this one where you just fit in all the blocks. Like this. So, yeah. More of the bricks are somewhere in there. This is one of my slinkies. This is a little bracelet I got. This is this flying chicken. It flies. Touch the ceiling. This is just like a little shaker. Got some slime. Got another little needle. Got another little bracelet. Got these little things. My dad sometimes puts them in his hair. So yeah. And then I got another one that's orange. Then I have this